Tired of only eating bread at breakfast? Then you should try cooking this baked apple oatmeal recipe, which features all the flavors of baked apples into a hearty breakfast. Hello and welcome back to Cozymeal Studios. Today we're cooking a delicious breakfast meal called baked apple oatmeal. But as always, before we begin, please be sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to our channel, and tap that notification bell. And now, let's get cooking. Let's start by preheating our oven to 350 degrees and greasing a 9 by 13 inch baking pan. Then peel 4 Granny Smith apples and cut them in half lengthwise. Granny Smith tartness pairs super well with the brown sugar in this oatmeal. However, feel free to experiment with apples in the sweeter tart category, because who knows, it may be just as good. Now let's scoop out both the cores and stems from the inside of the apples, and let's place them with their cut sides up in the baking pan. Then, using a large bowl, combine inside 3.5 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, along with 3 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter, half a cup of light brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Be sure to use Diamond Crystal kosher salt, as other kosher salt brands have varied crystal sizes and may affect the solidity of this recipe. Then mix it all up using a spoon until all the ingredients are well combined. Now place a large pinch of the mixture into the hollow core of each apple. And in the bowl with the remaining oat mixture, let's add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 cup of whole milk, 1 cup of water, and 2 eggs. Then let's mix it all up thoroughly and pour it into the baking pan next to the apples. If you'd like a textural contrast in your oatmeal, you may add either raisins or chopped nuts on top before baking them. Now let's bake our apple oatmeal for 20 to 25 minutes at those 350 degrees we had preheated. By the end of it, the apples should be tender and the oatmeal golden brown. If not, leave it in the oven for a bit longer. Once baked, take it out of the oven, smell that nostalgic oatmeal aroma, then serve warm and enjoy. If you'd like to view all the steps again and read extra recipe notes and tips, please be sure to check the description box or head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes to find plenty more breakfast meals to start the day off the best way possible. Do not forget to leave a like on this video and share this recipe with your friends and family. This is an easy meal everyone should know about. So easy, and yet so good. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, we hope to see you again cook along with us in our next video recipe.